there is an aggravated perjury. Just I am putting him on guard.
On guard.
What happens, in order to shield himself of the perjury already committed, he filed an affidavit saying that it is a dry land. Then we had to go through the report which has been filed by him.
ಅದೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಈಗ?
In the report, it shows
ಹಾ.
the yield is 1,500, 15 quintals of cardamom, and the annual yield is so much. He gives that it is 4
ಫೈಲ್
kilometers.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಸರ್.
But I'm requesting my lord,
ನೋ ಸರ್.
file our other
ಅಲ್ಲ
my lord
ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ
valuations.
ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
The report ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಹೌದು, I understand.
when the cup of woe comes to the brim, this is what happens.
Lords, the report is along with the writ petition
ಅಲ್ಲ, even
at
my- I
Annexure D, page 48.
also produced at 170.
Madam, ಇದು this court on 9/7/2026 had passed the following order, detail order there, and directed the matter to be listed on 27/2026 for further hearing. The matter is listed today only for, listed today to the learned senior counsel, D.R. Ravishankar, would spring another surprise. The learned counsel for the respondent bank, Vignesh Shetty, on the previous date of hearing on instructions or verification of the records as the case would be, had made a submission that the land that was valued, i.e. a coffee plantation of 40 acres, ala?
39 acres.
Of 39 acres at 63 lakh rupees was a dry land, neglected land, and therefore nothing beyond 63 lakhs, nothing could have been valued. But the land was sold at 93 lakhs, at 90 lakhs, sold at 90 lakhs, which is beyond the reserve price that was indicated by the bank. Today, the learned senior counsel takes this court through a document
Lords, Annexure D,
To-
page 48.
to demonstrate that the land that the bank projected to be a dry land to justify its abysmally low sale is not a dry land, but
It's a
a
cardamom
land
plantation.
which has 15 quintals of cardamom grown in the current year. Therefore, this is yet another falsehood submitted before this court by the bank.
Lords,
By the valuer,
Para 7 of his affidavit.
yet another falsehood submitted by the valuer that he was forced to value the land at 63 lakhs because it had completely gone dry. The document speaks otherwise. Therefore, it is a case of committing aggravated perjury on the already committed perjury by the valuer. ಡ್ರೈ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಈಗ?
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ yield ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ
ಕಾರ್ಡಮಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
ಅದೇನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಡಮಮ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬಹಳ
ದಿ
ಸಂತೋಷ.
ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ yield
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
this type of
ತೊ-
plantation ಗೆ approximate
ನೋ
yield is-
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.
I just, Lords, one more thing, Lords, I'll,
Report ಅಲ್ಲಿ the cardamom is not valued. ಬರೀ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ yield ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ.
I'll just
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
point out-
ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lords, I just point out one more thing, Lords.
ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು
No
visit ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
Lords, I just place one more thing. on
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ,
record.
ಪರ್ಜರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್
I wish
ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್
to-
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Affidavit ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಡ್ರೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I'll just point out, Lords, the first sentence in para 7. I wish to place on record that notwithstanding the Aranya statement regarding my authorization, the actual valuation of the subject property was conducted by me, treating the property as a rain-fed vacant stroke dry land. That's what he has said in his affidavit. Now in the page number 49, he says irrigation facilities. There are 4 options: canal, well, bore, rain-fed. He says it's an irrigation pond.
Contradiction.
Yes. And
Anyway, the
The-
learned senior counsel would also submit that the affidavit so filed was full of contradictions. Be that as it may, as observed herein above, appropriate orders would be passed on the said application referring the matter to the contempt bench or initiating proceedings for perjury against the valuer, it would be only after the learned counsel Vignesh Shetty places on record the other valuations done by, with the Canara Bank by the very valuer. Yet another circumstance that is necessary to be noticed is the subject land, which is 39 acres, is valued at 39 acres of coffee plantation, cardamom plantation in Beltangdi. Is, ಎಲ್ಲಿದು?
It is in Bagmandla.
In Bagmandla, sorry, in Bagmandla is valued at 63 lakhs. The adjacent land, adu cardamom? Adjacent land of coffee plantation of 100 acres is valued at 1.5 crores. Nothing can be appalling than this at the hands of the valuer whom the Canara Bank has employed to value the property and sell it away on the score that SARFAESI proceedings are initiated against those borrowers. Therefore, if land of 100 acres could be sold at 1.5 crores, the matter would require a deeper consideration and investigation. Therefore, the learned counsel, Vignesh Shetty, to secure the evaluation done by this valuer with Canara Bank positively by the next date of hearing, failing which adverse inference would be drawn against the bank. Lest the matter on 30th at 2:30 PM for the hearing.
Please, my lords.
But after 2 weeks, my lord, I need it, my lord, I need.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು?
I have to assist before. my lord.
Correct, sir. 7th August for further hearing.
Please, my lords.
My lord,
Yes.
even in my earlier.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next hearing.
Earlier affidavit, I have stated it is dry land.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Para number 3.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಜುರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀರಾ, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬಂತು?
Scapegoat, my lord.
ಸ್ಕೇಪಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ has made you a scapegoat.
Yes.
My lord.
Petitioner ಅಲ್ಲ.
The petitioner is just attacking me.
What else can he do?
ನಾನು dry land ಅಂತ
Sir,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
a person whose property is sold for a song will attack you and will attack everybody. You should be ready. Correct defense ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀರಾ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord.
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಸುಳ್ಳು, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬಂತು?
19th February.
ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯೋ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ.
It's only one more.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್.
Wait.
If it is the only property for which this valuator is employed, then it is more
ಅದು
suspicious.
ಮೋರ್ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀವು ಹೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ, 100 ಎಕರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ತೋಟನ 1.5 ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾರಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು?
23ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 2023 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Government guidance value
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಹೋ,
1.5 lakhs ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ? ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಲೋನು?
Loan ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ
ಮತ್ತೆ?
I was not aware what is there in the land.
ಸರ್, don't make a fool of yourself and your client, your valuer. 100 ಎಕರೆನ 1.5 ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾರ್ತಾರ? ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? 100 acres of coffee plantation for 1.5 crores. Anybody will buy, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ 2ರಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್.
In respect of 100 acre property, my lord, they gone before the DRT, they suffered an order, they
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
gone before DRET, my lord.
No problem. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಇದೇ ಆಗಿರೋದು. Nobody has checked the valuation. DRT has not checked the valuation. Nobody has checked the valuation. It is only here the valuation is being seen.
My lord, REIT appeal got dismissed.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು.
Oh, my lord, in this junction, my lord.